Have you ever seen someone selling a simple automation online for 20 hours and thought, wait, people actually buy that? They do, every single day. And here's the part most people miss. It's not about coding or spending months building something complicated. It's about packaging a simple AI workflow into something that looks and feels like a real product, something people instantly understand and want. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to package 5 types of AI automations into ready-to-sell digital products. The kind you can create once, list on autopilot, and sell again and again. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the place where we turn no-code automations and AI tools into income streams that actually work. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because every week we break down step-by-step strategies to help you build, package, and sell digital automations, even if you're not a tech person. Alright, let's jump right into it. So, when people hear AI automation, they often think of something too technical, like coding, integrations, or software engineering. But in reality, the best-selling automations online are just smart workflows that solve a very specific problem for someone. Let's break down 5 examples that you can package as digital products, and how to position each one like a real business asset. First, the lead magnet delivery automation. This one is perfect for creators, coaches, and digital sellers. It's a simple make.com or Zapier workflow that delivers a free resource, like a PDF or Notion template, instantly after someone signs up through a form. The magic isn't in the code, it's in how you package it. Give it a name, brand it as the Instant Lead Magnet Machine, and show a short demo of it working. People pay not for the automation itself, but for the time it saves them and the results it guarantees. Second, the client onboarding automation. Think about freelancers or agencies who spend hours sending the same welcome emails, forms, and contracts to every new client. With ChatGPT plus make.com, you can automate the whole process. Trigger a personalized email, generate a contract with client data, and even create a new folder in Google Drive automatically. When you package it, frame it as a client welcome system, ready to plug and play. Add a short setup guide or video tutorial, and it instantly becomes a premium digital product worth $49 to $99. Third, the content repurposing automation. This one's exploding in demand right now. Everyone's posting content, but nobody has time to repurpose it across platforms. Imagine an automation that takes a YouTube transcript, summarizes it with ChatGPT, creates captions, and sends everything to a Notion database or Google Sheet. That's something you can brand as the content multiplier system. And again, it's all about the presentation. Clean cover design, short instructions, and positioning it as a system that saves creators hours every week. Fourth, the review booster automation. Local businesses and e-commerce sellers desperately need reviews, but hate asking for them. This workflow automatically sends a personalized message or email after a purchase or appointment, politely asking for feedback and linking to Google or Trustpilot. The value here isn't in the steps, it's in the result. More reviews, more credibility, more sales. When you sell it, you're not just selling an automation, you're selling social proof on autopilot. Fifth, the appointment setter automation. This one's perfect for consultants, fitness coaches, or service providers. It connects a website form to Google Calendar, sends confirmation emails, and can even remind clients 24 hours before the meeting. When you package it, position it as the auto booking assistant, because people buy outcomes, not workflows. Now, let's talk about how to actually package these automations so they look like real digital products, not just random workflows hidden inside make.com. Because this is where most people lose potential buyers. They build something amazing, but it looks unfinished or confusing. So here's how to fix that, step by step. Step 1, brand it. Every great product starts with a name and a promise. You want each automation to sound like something people would actually search for. For example, instead of calling it Zapier email workflow, call it Inbox Zero Machine. Automate all your follow-ups. Or if it's for creators, content repurposing system. Turn one video into 10 posts automatically. Add a simple tagline, a clean title image, and a one-line promise like, deliver freebies on autopilot. That's what turns a random workflow into a branded digital asset. Remember, people don't buy features, they buy stories. Your product name is that story's headline. Step 2. Create a simple visual. Think of this like packaging for a physical product. If you walked into a store, you wouldn't buy something in a plain box with no label. So, create a clean product cover using Canva or Figma. Add a mock-up of a laptop screen showing the automation dashboard, your product name in bold text, and maybe a short tagline. Stick to one color palette that represents your brand. Navy, teal, and white work perfectly for tech-based digital products. A strong visual instantly tells buyers, this is plug and play. It's ready for me. And here's a tip. One polished image can increase your conversion rate by 30%. Step 3. Add documentation. This part is massively underrated. Even the simplest PDF or Notion page explaining what the automation does, how to set it up, and what to expect makes you look like a pro. You can call it a quick start guide or setup manual. Add screenshots of each step, not paragraphs of text. The key is to make the buyer feel supported, even if they're not tech savvy. That sense of guidance turns a $29 workflow into a $99 system. And if you want to go a step further, record a 2-minute tutorial video walking through the setup. You'll instantly build trust. Step 4. Choose a selling platform. Don't overcomplicate this. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and System.io make it ridiculously easy to sell automations. You upload your files, set your price, and they handle everything. Checkout, payments, delivery, even customer receipts. No need for a website or coding. Gumroad is great if you want simplicity. System.io works perfectly if you plan to build an email list and run automations behind your store later. And Payhip is awesome if you want flexibility with coupons or affiliates. Pick one, upload your assets, and you're in business. Step 5. Add a short demo video. This is one of the best conversion boosters. People love seeing how something works. It makes the value tangible. You don't need to speak or appear on camera. Just record your screen for 30 seconds showing the automation running. For example, a message being sent, a task being created, or a file being delivered automatically. Add a short caption overlay like fully automated with ChatGPT plus make.com. That single clip proves your product works and builds instant trust. Step 6. Price it strategically. Here's where a lot of creators get stuck. They either undervalue their work or price it like a service. The golden rule: price for outcome, not effort. If your automation saves someone 3 hours a week or helps them earn $100 more a month, charging $49 or $79 is more than fair. Here's a good way to think about pricing. If it's a simple automation, something that does one clear task, you can price it between $19 and $39. If it's a complete system, with multiple steps or integrated workflows, then $60 to $99 is a solid range. And if it's a done-for-you setup, a bundle that includes templates, tutorials, or training, you can confidently price it around $129 to $149. Always remember, your price tells the buyer how valuable your product is. Cheap looks risky. Professional pricing builds trust and confidence. Step 7. Bundle and scale. Once you've got one automation packaged and listed, don't stop there. You already have the structure. Now build a product line. For example, you could combine your lead magnet machine, your content multiplier, and your client onboarding system, and package them together as a bundle called the Creator Toolkit. Or you could go niche specific and build themed bundles, like the Real Estate Automation Kit, the Freelancer Workflow Bundle, or even an e-commerce growth pack. Bundles like these don't just boost perceived value, they also increase your average order size. And here's the best part. When you sell bundles, your income starts to compound without extra work. You build once and scale endlessly. Step 8. Drive traffic. Even the best automation won't sell if nobody sees it. So start by creating curiosity-driven content. Show short clips like, "This automation sends 50 emails while I sleep," or "I built this system once," it's still making sales. Post them on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or X. Use your videos to drive people to your store, not through hard selling, but through storytelling. Share mini tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks, and case studies of your automations in action. These micro-content loops keep your audience coming back, and each view becomes potential traffic to your Gumroad or System.io page. And here's the mindset shift that changes everything. You're not just building workflows. You're building digital assets. You're not selling tools, you're selling results. Because in this new creator economy, clarity and branding beat complexity every time. Your product doesn't need to be the most technical. It just needs to work and look like it belongs in a marketplace. Before you go, I've put together a complete step-by-step guide that walks you through how to choose your first automation idea, build it using no-code tools, and start selling it online. You'll find all the details in the pinned comment below. It's designed to help you move faster without wasting hours figuring things out alone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. And tell me in the comments, automation idea would you package first? Thanks for watching until the end. And as always, let's build, automate, and profit.